Nakhon Nayok, a beautiful small Thai province and a nice getaway countryside place. In this exclusive series, we are going to explore unspoiled touristic places, farms, roadside vendors, and authentic Isan cuisines. Okay, howdy folks, welcome back. We are on another attraction of Nakhon Nayok, that is Sarika Waterfall. Right now it's not that strong water, but when there's a season and there's a lot of water, this place is just amazing and breathtaking, and you feel like you are watching a live painting of some artist. So let's go and check out the falls. So let's go. Okay folks, behind me lies Sarika Falls of Nakhon Nayok Park. So, lace your eyes on it. Sarika Waterfall, the most beautiful and famous waterfall in Nakhon Nayok, is located in Sarika sub-district, approximately 15 kilometers east of the city along the highway. This waterfall is famous for a number of good reasons. This is a 9-tier waterfall, plunges down a cliff onto a forested hillside, and has large pool at each tier, offering pleasant swimming spots. You can see swimming fish in the water, or you can sit down and get a free fish spot. Also, there are accommodations, restaurants, and souvenir shops nearby. This is a perfect family picnic spot. Okay folks, that was Sarika Waterfalls. It's really good to connect with the nature. So if you are in Nakhon Nayok, do visit Sarika Waterfalls, Park, Nakhon Nayok. Stay tuned for more. I'll be right back. Stay connected. Okay folks, now we are visiting Kundan Prakan Chon Dam, which is the largest dam in Thailand. I'll give you more detail later on. Let's go and get on a tour. Let's go. Okay folks, we are at the top of Khundan Prakanchon Dam. So behind lies the water. Take a look. The Kundan Prakanchon Dam, initiated by His Majesty the King Bhumibol, is located in Bantadan district Hintang of Nakhon Nayok. It is 12 kilometers out of the town. This dam was completed in 2005. It is 93 meters high, 2,720 meters long, and an incredible 5.5 million cubic meters of concrete. It has a storage capacity of 224 million cubic meters of water. It is the biggest dam in Thailand. It is also the largest and longest roller compact concrete dam in the world. Due to this dam, there is a reduction in flooding, constant supply of water for agriculture and local community, fish stocks, tourism, and natural sceneries. You can walk a few hundred meters along the top of the dam, or you can take a tour bus trip along the top of the dam for fully appreciation of the fine views. You can also take boat trips across the lake and up the river behind the dam into Khao Yai. How far you can go depends on how high the water level. When water level is low, you can travel just few kilometers. But if the dam is full, you can travel many kilometers up the river and into the jungle. These boat trips also include the chance to do short trek into the jungle to one of the small waterfalls with drop pools for a refreshing swim in the cool waters. Okay folks, that is the end of Nakhon Nayok Adventure activities and food tour. That was fun. It was an epic tour again. I really loved it. These are the few options that we have provided, but you have much more to choose from. There's ATV, there's a shooting range, there's archery, cliff climbing, rafting, and a lot more than you can imagine. All you have to do to check the description below. I have provided all the information there for Nakhon Nayok and also in my different videos. So if you're visiting Nakhon Nayok, do try different activities of your choice. Until next time, stay connected. Adios.